Soft skills are essential for success in life and work, and parents can play a crucial role in helping their children develop these skills. We're going to talk about 5 things you can do to help your child learn those invaluable soft skills. See, children often learn by example, so set a good one. It's essential to model the soft skills you want your child to develop. Demonstrate good communication skills, teamwork, problem solving, and time management skills in your daily life, and your child will begin to reflect them. Soft skills are often developed through socialization, so your child needs to engage in social activities such as team sports, clubs, and community events. This can help them develop teamwork, leadership, and communication skills. Conflict is a natural part of life, but knowing how to resolve conflicts effectively is a critical soft skill. Teach your child how to communicate assertively, listen actively, and negotiate effectively to resolve conflict of any type. It's important to encourage your child to take responsibility for their tasks and projects. So, this can help them develop self confidence, time management skills, and the ability to work independently. And when you provide feedback and praise, whenever your child demonstrates good soft skills, this can help them reinforce positive behaviors and encourage them to continue developing these skills. So, overall, helping your child develop soft skills requires consistent effort and a supportive environment. By being a role model, encouraging socialization, teaching conflict resolution, fostering independence, and providing feedback and praise, you can help your child